In this video, learn how to install Firefox on Windows 11. So let us see. At first, go to Start, type Edge. So Edge is the default browser of Windows 11. Click Open, type Firefox and press Enter. Now you can see Mozilla Firefox is visible. You can directly click Download. Okay, the official website is now visible for Mozilla Firefox. Click Download Firefox. Download started and completed. Click Open. Now the installation started. Let's wait. So guys, we successfully installed Firefox. We can open any website now. So we opened a website on Mozilla, and you can also see a desktop shortcut is also visible. Now you can directly click here, or here it is visible. You can right click and click Pin to Taskbar so that it's always visible in the bottom. So guys, we saw how we can install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11. Thank you for watching the video.